A problem I always see in the springtime is bad gas in mowers. After a mower sits all winter, the gas will start to break down, causing your carburetor to gum up or gel up. In this case, your mower most likely won't start come springtime. Today, I'm going to show you how to avoid this by winterizing your lawnmower. Step 1. First things first, make sure you're wearing safety glasses. Now you are ready to start. Go ahead and unplug the spark plug. Step 2. Now we will need to remove the air filter and air filter base. This will give you access to your carb and fuel line. I'm using a 5/16 socket for this mower. Step 3. With a pair of pliers, remove the fuel line hose clamp. Then you will need a container, flathead screwdriver, and I like to use this fuel line extender to help avoid gas spills. Use your flathead screwdriver to detach the fuel line from the carburetor. Once the fuel line is removed, be ready, the gas will start coming out. Drain the gas into the container and dispose of it properly. Side note, if the gas is old, just dispose of it. However, if the gas is less than 2 months old, you can dispose of it by putting it in your car. Step 4. Once gas is all drained, reattach fuel line, place hose clamp back in original position. Step 5. Now just reinstall air filter base and air filter. Step 6. Final step. Clamp down your top bail/brake bail, then start up your mower and let it run until it dies. Why do we do this? This is so all the gas left in the carburetor and fuel lines burn off completely. Once the mower dies, give it 3 to 5 pulls to make sure all the gas is gone. All that's left now is to put it in the shed or garage for storage. Now you can go into the winter worry-free, knowing come springtime your mower will start. If you're in need of small engine repair, look no further than Sierra Repair, located at 1600 South Wells Avenue in Reno, Nevada 89502. We can help you with both 2-cycle and 4-cycle machines, from brands like Stihl, Shindaiwa, Toro, Briggs & Stratton, Snapper, Kohler, Craftsman, MTD, Tecumseh, Troy-Bilt, Kawasaki, Little Wonder, Bluebird, Billy Goat, and Ryan. So if you need help, come visit us at Sierra Repair, located at 1600 South Wells Avenue, Reno, Nevada 89502. If you have a question, you can call us at 775-329-4952, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5.